GPT-Live is now controlling Codex and ChatGPT on the desktop with full duplex voice commands, a game changer for agentic coding workflows. This means developers can use voice commands to create code, test, and deploy, all hands-free, using OpenAI's latest integration of GPT-Live into its desktop applications on macOS and Windows. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way developers work, making it faster and more efficient to create and test code. The implications are huge, as it could enable developers to focus more on the creative aspects of coding, rather than getting bogged down in the tedious task of typing out lines of code. The integration of GPT-Live with Codex and ChatGPT work is a significant step forward for OpenAI, and it's likely to have a major impact on the development community. With this new technology, developers will be able to use natural language to create and edit code, making it easier for non-technical people to get involved in coding projects. It's an exciting development, and one that could help to democratize access to coding and development. Moving on, it seems OpenAI is on a roll, and another story that caught my attention is their new AI keypad, which is being touted as a fun tool for coders, but might leave others scratching their heads. The AI keypad is a physical device that allows coders to interact with OpenAI's models in a more tactile way, using a combination of buttons and voice commands to create and edit code. While it's unlikely to be a must-have for most people, it's an interesting experiment in how we interact with AI systems. It's not clear how widely adopted the keypad will be, but it's definitely a unique approach to human-AI interaction. In other news, researchers have been using AlphaFold, an AI system developed by Google, to redesign gene-editing proteins and make them safer. This is a huge deal, as gene editing has the potential to revolutionize the treatment of genetic diseases, but it's also a highly complex and sensitive field. By using AlphaFold to identify the parts of gene-editing proteins that are prone to errors, researchers can design new proteins that are more accurate and reliable. This has major implications for the field of gene editing, and could help to unlock new treatments for a wide range of diseases. Meanwhile, Midjourney, the AI startup that's been making waves with its AI-generated images, has acquired the astrology app CoStar. This is an unexpected move, as Midjourney has primarily been focused on generating images, but it's a sign that the company is looking to expand its reach into new areas. CoStar is a popular app that offers personalized horoscopes and astrology readings, and it will be interesting to see how Midjourney integrates it into its existing offerings. Finally, Google Zero is becoming increasingly hard to ignore, as the search giant's efforts to index and summarize web content are changing the way we interact with the internet. The traditional deal between Google and the web, where Google indexes web pages and sends traffic to websites in exchange for data, is no longer working, and it's time to rethink the relationship between Google and the web. As we move forward, it will be important to consider the implications of Google Zero and how it will shape the future of the internet. And that's all for today. Tune in tomorrow when we'll be exploring the latest developments in the world of quantum computing.